Kitchen math!
Kitchen math!
What do we know?
Kids, kitchen math! Kitchen math!
Let's count it slow. One big spoon on the table. Three little spoons in a row.
Let's count together slowly. 1, 2, 3, now you know!
1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. Big spoon, little spoons, count them as we go. 1 equals 3, now everybody knows. Got some sugar for your tea?
Yes, we do. 1 big spoon, please.
Don't have one, then what's the key?
3 little spoons. 1, 2, 3.
1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. Big spoon, little spoons, count them as we go. 1 equals 3, now everybody knows. 2 tablespoons, how many small? Count with me, we need them all.
1, 2, 3, and 3 more, 6.
Kitchen math is such a fun trick. Pancakes in the morning, baking powder too. Need a tablespoon, here's what you do. Take 3 teaspoons